Getting ready for Thanksgiving dinner. Say hello, the newlyweds.
Hi.
Yes.
Hello, hello.
Yes.
Yeah, and then
yes.
this one just. Yeah.
Okay.
And then we put them on a sheet pan.
This is the
Are you come on,
no H.
Dad?
Yes. And
There's no H.
magulo pa rin. Pero it's coming. Oh, this is good.
Dad, Mom, where'd you put the baking pan? In order to survive in this world,
Time check. 3 p.m. November 28th. Okay. A little Thanksgiving celebration. Okay. Traditional New England feast. Started in 1787, I guess. 1521, 1576, I don't know. Turkey, ham, big on this side. Yeah. Hawaiian. Yeah. The sauce, cranberry. Oh, look at that. This is good. Potato.
Yams? Sweet potato?
Sweet potato. And ham. Very expensive ham. Mashed potatoes, gravy. Yeah. Traditional Thanksgiving feast. Nandito ako ngayon sa South Point Casino. Pipicturean ko sandali yung video ko yung Christmas lights ang South Point Casino. Okay. Ganda-ganda ng decorations, oh. Dito ako ngayon sa South Point Casino. Tapos lang ng dinner. Puro seafood. Sana wag ako magkagaw. Okay. Ayan yung South Point Casino. Yung mga decorations ang ganda, oh. Ayan yung mga mga kondo sa kabila. Ganda ng decorations, oh. Ay yung sign ng South Point Casino kung nakikita nyo. Oh, puro glittering lights. Napakaganda. Wow, napakalamig. Siguro nasa 46 degrees, 47 ganyan. Okay. Well, anyway, happy Thanksgiving po sa lahat. Family, friends sa California, Calabastagan, Angeles City, mga kaibigan ko doon. Kumpare, happy Thanksgiving sa lahat. Ayan.